In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Substack newsletter and social media app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, for you to get the correct Substack app, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store app. You can see mine is here. Or if you go just to your apps, you should be able to see Play Store. From here, go ahead and log in with your Gmail, and now you should be able to see a search bar. Go ahead and search for the app by name. So I'll just type in Substack like this. That's one word. Tap on it, and you can see we have our app here. So go ahead and tap on this. And to know that it is the correct app, make sure it is from Substack niche. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.8 with over 218,000 reviews. And this has been downloaded over 5 million times. The average size currently is around 30 MBs of this file. So if you see this data, then you'll know that you have the right Substack app. To get it, tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Substack, then install it on your phone. So once this has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open from here. Or now if I go to my apps, now you can see our app is here. If I tap on it, this is the welcoming interface. From here, proceed and create an account or log in if you already have one. So that's how you can install the correct Substack app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.